everybody, welcome to my channel on a preschool learning. Today is KR activity.
Alright, so in this video we are going to show you how to teach coloring to young learners. In my previous video, I have already showed you how to teach drawing to the young learners. Now in this video, we will show you how to teach coloring to them. So coloring will help the child to improve the concentration, attention span. It also improves the child's patience level that they have to finish drawing. Coloring activity will also help in developing fine motor skills between the fingers so that it will be easy for them to handle the pencil in later stages. For those who are not having good pencil grip, coloring is the best activity which will enable them to increase the pencil grip in children. So when you start teaching them how to draw in between lines, you should not give them a big picture and ask them to color and practice it. Initially we have to do it by making them color in the shapes. Now for example, baby.
What, mommy?
So let's start coloring, okay?
Okay, mommy.
So if you can see here, I'm first drawing a triangle shape. This is for absolute beginners. You can teach them coloring right from the age of 2-year-old. Here if you can see, this is a triangle shape. Which shape is this?
Triangle.
Very good. So let's color this triangle now. Okay. So let them choose their favorite color so that the coloring will be a very interesting activity for them.
Orange color? No. I want pink color.
Okay, take pink.
This pink? No. This pink. Pink matching.
So you have to color inside the lines, okay?
Pink color, where I do. Here I am, how do I do? Pink.
Coloring helps in increasing the concentration of the child. It also helps in increasing the attention span because they'll have to color the whole picture. Coloring also develops good fine motor skills that will be helpful for them when they start to write. No, here also you have to draw a little bit like a line. For beginners, you have to draw them. For beginners, you have to draw few shapes to them on white paper and give it to them so that they will enjoy drawing inside the lines, because when you suddenly give them a picture, it might be difficult for them to draw within the lines. So this is for absolute beginners who are learning coloring. Now once this is over, you just have to check with more shapes like this, and after this is over, you have to get some coloring books like this where you have so many coloring pages inside, so your kids can enjoy coloring. Gradually they will start coloring with different colors. They'll understand that they should use multiple colors to make a picture. So after this practice is over, now it's time for your child to color the pictures. Here I have two same pictures. As I already showed to you in my previous drawing class, when you do it along with your child, that will help increase the bonding between the child and the parent.
Mommy, can you draw orange please?
Okay, fine. So here we are drawing together.
Fire.
Yes. Campfire.
Campfire.
Very good. Come on. So,
Orange color. Let's go orange.
come on, pick orange color.
What? This is red.
No, that's orange. This is red. See, baby, you have to color only within the lines like the way I do, okay? Orange color, where are you? See, how am I drawing? Little bit like this, Yes. Slowly, you have to hold it properly. Initially, when you start teaching them coloring, your child might hold the crayon like this or any way, but gradually they will understand while coloring that they have to hold it like this. It is always good to use nice quality crayons because
Mommy.
they can see the color as they are drawing, and it will be easy for them to handle this type of crayons. They'll show more interest in coloring if you give them a good set of crayons. If you can give them one page coloring every day, that will be very helpful for the child. Next, which color shall we take for the sticks?
Brown color.
Brown color? Okay, fine, good. Take brown. Brown. Come on. You have to color it like the way I am doing. Okay.
Mommy. Mommy, I want yellow color.
Okay. Take yellow color.
No, mommy. That's it.
This one you want?
Yeah.
So you can allow them to choose their favorite colors because it is not mandatory for a child to draw the color as it is. Like for example, they can color a dog green as well because it's up to them, it's up to their imagination. You can also let kids draw their own pictures because they have lots and lots of creativity, and their creativity can be exhibited only by drawing. Drawing also increases awareness within the child. Kids become very creative when you allow them to draw because they'll pen down all the thoughts they have on the paper. Some kids really do wonders while drawing. There's no age limit for the kids to start learning to draw because as early as a 1-year-old child also can scribble something. As you already know, you must have already seen small young kids scribbling on the walls and here and there. So allow them to draw as much as possible, give them exposure to as many colors as possible.
Finish, mommy.
Okay, very good. So you can see here are our drawings. This is how she wanted to color it, and this is how I made it. We have already made a video on how to teach drawing to the beginners, and this is about how to teach coloring to the beginners. So hope you have really understood how important it is for a child to get into coloring in their early life. For those who are coming for the first time to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.